guys, it's Izzy. In this video today I'm going to go over 4 different ways of how you can style your hair with Ballcap. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe below and we'll get started.
So for these looks you're going to need an elastic, your favorite ball cap, and a brush. So for this first look you're going to start by brushing out your hair to make sure there are no tangles in it. Next, you're going to section out the pieces of hair that are going to frame your face. Now you're going to take your elastic and gather all your hair to the base of your neck. Start to tie your hair like a regular ponytail. Once you get to the last loop, don't pull your ponytail all the way through. This will create a little bun and you can hide the end of the loop under your bun. You'll also start by brushing out your hair to make sure there are no tangles. Again, you'll section out the front pieces that you want to frame your face. This is optional. And now, you'll part your hair down the center to the back. And create a loop just like you did in the first video. The exact same way by brushing out your hair first, sectioning out the 2 pieces of hair in the front, and then sectioning your hair down the middle. This time you're not going to create a loop, you're just going to tie it like a regular pigtail. And this time we're going to start it the exact same way as the other 3. So for this look I'm going to do 2 French braids. If you want you can do 2 Dutch braids, but it's up to you. Start by sectioning your hair into 3 sections and then start the braid by bringing the back piece over the middle and then the front piece over the middle.
Hopefully this video gave you a little bit more inspo when you want to throw on a ball cap. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe below and I'll see you later.